Hi, I'm Sadie Davis.
I'm Haley.
And I'm Gavin Davis.
And this is Home Repairs Requirement 3.
B.
So for this requirement, we're going to be demonstrating how to install a receptacle. So here I have the 3 demonstration wires. 3 wires are power, neutral, and ground. The ground always connects to the gold or brass side, the neutral always connects to the silver, and the power always connects to the copper or green. Before you can replace a receptacle, you need to turn off the breaker, and then you make sure that the wires are hot. And Gavin, can you explain what order you have to take the wires off it?
So, you first take off the power cord, then you take off the neutral wire, and then the ground. Same for putting it back on, but opposite. Ground, neutral, power.
So, when you're putting the wires on, you're going to make sure that they're aligned in such a way that they won't stick out all willy-nilly and touch the other lines, because that's very dead. And when you put them on, you make sure that it wraps around the screw, and then you tie the screw in very tightly so it doesn't move. After you're done, you can then turn back on the breaker and it should be good. Thanks for watching.
Bye!